So what I can do now? Can I make this small now? Because topic over now. Just I can make the what in of odd EO. What I can make the class name as what now? EO. Even odd. Here also can make as what? EO. How can I change multiple times? Alt button. And even you can change this name also. I can pass what N. Here timing call what I call N. So again on the code now. If I pass the value as what now? 4. 4 even or order? Even. Then 12 even or order? Even. 13 odd. Fine. You can take the object any name. Object name can be what? Any name. Here N is what? Object. N is what here? Object. Object name can be same also, can be what? Different also. Not a issue. Okay now. I can take num also, I can take N also or A also, whatever it is. Clear? Okay. Now filter. Which filter? Aqua filter. Purity. Very, very important concept now. Lambda filter reduce. Okay. Important point is on lambda filter reduce. Okay. So see now here once filter. Don't see code part. Understand logic part will be easy only. Coding I can increase also, I can make it short also. Just now should make the short now. So don't see by judge by coding there. Okay. Same program I wrote there, even or odd. What's the function name now here? Is even. You can change. Can't you change the function name now? Same thing will copy will now. No, no. But now I have passed what now argument. Previously also passed. There I pass what num. Here I pass what now x. Now if x mod equal to 0, what I'll say? True. If it is not equal, what I'll say? False. Now I have taken what now? LM. You can take any name. Suppose you tell me what name I have taken. X, not X. You'll get confused. I'll take Z. Okay now? Z, okay now? Now Z equal to what I have taken int of X. X will be what type now? Int type. For input. Splitting by what? Spaces. I have to take the different name now here. What I'll take here? Z and then try to print them. You can take any name now. First understand, okay, easy. So I can take multiple inputs now. Multiple inputs. How? Let me show one now. So filter I'll be using. Before filter, what I'll be using there now? List or whatever it is, tuple. Pass the function name. What's the function name here now? Is even. Pass the where after storing the values in what variable? Z. So now run the code. So I'll pass the values like what? Suppose 6, 3, 9, 5, 8, 2. 6 even or order? 3, 9, 5. So just right here. Or tell me what the even, just even. Okay, okay, the number right now. 6, 8, 2. Okay. Now, what I have done this part, okay, done. Taking the input which are even, I know. Okay. List of filter. I'm using filter command. Pass the function in what? Variable. What I'll say? From the Z, the even values are. Now only what I'll get now? Only the even values. So now press enter now. I got all values or even only even values are. Anything filtered happened there? No. Yes or no? Nothing filtering happened. Yes or no? Now what I can do? Tell me now. Think once. In statement what? Yeah. Pass there what? Then what I'll get now? All just what now? Even numbers. What are the even numbers? 6, 8, 2. So previously check there what I passed 6952. 69582 na. I can pass anything, okay. So clarity there 6, 3, 9, 8, 5, 2, whatever it is, okay. Just only got even values now. So now you can take multiple inputs and print what are the even numbers, odd numbers, or what are the upcoming topics are there now. So this filter command will be useful to just to get what a particular kind of information only now. If I want only order, then what I have to pass there in place of even here now? Think now, if I want only order. Correct. Correct. We keep the order not equal to 0. So clear screen. We'll take some values. Or the runtime will provide the values here. Tell me some values. 6, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 8. Already 8 over, not over. Okay. Enough. Okay, 9. Enough. Now what are the odd values here now? 3, 5, 3, 5, 1, 9. These are all what? Odd values. Got or didn't get? Only one line you have to change. Or not in one line, one symbol only. One symbol. Symbol or singama? Symbol. And previously what I have taken now here, I am taking input from what? Manually. So let me go now properly now, line by line now. Then last I'll modify. Okay, last I'll make the code very small. But you have to know now how many ways can you print these things now. So now 27 is 27 even or odd? Odd. So print that number there. Khatam. What will come? True. Why true? Because not equal to 0. So if I want to get false, pass the what? Equal to. So now I can check my code, correct or not. So what will come now? Output now. Is it because of is even there? No. I can take any name there, even or whatever it is there. Yes or no? Or I have to take anything, something different name there. The function name can be any name. So 27 even or odd? Odd. Suppose 28 even. So what will come the output now? True. First part is clear. What I'm doing here now, I am taking the input from what? Not from user, from I'm on my own. Manually I'm doing that. Passing values what? Manually. Okay. Then let me try to print them. I'm using the filter command to print them. What's the function name? Even. Pass the function name, comma, that name. Okay, function name. First you have to pass list. You want to get in the form of list. Then filter command. Function name is even. Then pass the way the list elements are stored in a variable what? List 1. You can take any variable name, yes or no? Then try to print them. Khatam. The answer stored in what variable now? R. R is what type now? List type. So what are the even numbers now here? 10, 10, 46, 70. Yes or no? But now will you take manually? Yeah, wish. Because already I've shown you how you can take water from the user also. So we'll do all the things now. Manually, automatically, semi-automatically. We'll buy Brezza car now. Is even or even? Even. So now we can do automatically, manually, both. So let me change some values here. In place of 28, I'll keep 26 or 26. Okay, fine. Here, fine values. Now tell me the answer line by line. Because output I'll get, I know. Can I make small? Are you able to see? Okay. So tell me now, what's the first output I'll get? True. Reason for getting true? Because 26 what? Even there. Next you'll get function call. List 1 I'm passing there, 10, 23. Now, what I'll get now output here? 10, 46, 70. Next time I'm passing the input from the user now. So suppose if I pass like values like what in the list now? 17, then we'll pass 20, 22, 9, 63. Enough. Okay, one more like what? 12. Okay, what are the AN values now here in this case now? 22, 12. That's it now. Now, what do you think after true, this will list get printed or this will get printed first of all? Don't know. You don't know, yes or no? Because not told. So see now, focus here properly now. Run the code. First true came. Now asking for the user now. Okay. So I'll pass what value 17, 22, 9, 63 and last 12. Okay. Now see, enter. So first input type okay there. But first getting printed what? 10, 46, 70. Then printing what last. Clear now? So now you can copy the code. So filter will reduce the lines of code or not? After copying my code, then if you want to modify, then you can modify. I recommended what? Take the input from the user. Copy fast. Now we'll discuss about the resume part. These things you have to practice, okay? Or else impossible, I'm saying you. And this is the only important topic which you have to focus. And those are practicing or not practicing, whatever, finish it today itself. Till the weekend comes, Saturday comes, this topic will be doing what? 16th program maybe. Not doing what? 8th program. By Saturday, maybe you are doing what? 16th program. Clear or not clear? Once again, let me know fast. So I can keep this in comments now. This manually. This I don't want. This also I don't want. Khatam. So how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Khatam. Keep a tick marks. Which line I didn't keep comments now? That to keep tick mark. Simple tick mark. So when in the coding, if they ask you even or odd, na, listen properly what I'm saying. In the coding, if they ask you even or odd, write in this way. This one question is solved. Suppose in 5 questions, this program one question you solve na, 100% you confirm job. Because 90% students won't write like in this way. They write if else khatam, stop the code. But what is the ultimate goal? Are you the only person writing that coding and giving there? If I ask now, all will do in the class now. All 30 members can do now. Even or if I ask you, all can do with the help of if else. Yes or no? I'll just give you 1 minute of time also can do that. Okay, fine. But if I ask you, take multiple values and then try to print with the help of function, multiple values okay can do. But with the help of function, when I say khatam, out of 30 students, 10, 15 students will drop. Syllabus not our, topic not our, class disturbance, something. The reason I'm giving, not like, Okay, joke only. But you have to focus on saying. Okay, some questions you have there which you have to focus. Those questions I kept over here. So in the coding, which will apply? That normal way or this way? I know. In this way. Remaining topic, don't know, that is fine. But when they ask even or odd something program, in this way you write and come. Out of 5 questions, 1 question you're solving also is enough. I'm saying you. My name is there, I can't say. In TCS, you have to solve 2 coding questions now. Yes or no? People who applied TCS coding. Suppose you didn't execute 2 programs also, even 1 also not executed. Will you get Java? But got. Many got it. Not luck. What luck, I don't know. You that's why this time they gave what? This time they have given only what? 2 days of time. 5th opened, 6th today, 7th last day. Khatam. Not like every time giving many days, all applying, bulk hiring, people apply, they'll feel what not comfortable in checking whom to take, whom not to take. But within these 2 days who are apply, 90% they'll get hired. Okay. Okay, so let me focus this what. So people are having knowledge of what? PPT, make a PPT on your part. Okay, that part will come. Suppose these are page. Make resume from this website. Resume builder. Okay. Free also will be there. That also you can do. Okay. No need to focus much. Just you can pick up any normal resume also and fast you can do. Because by today you have to apply. That's the only thing. People having backlog, that backlog, this, that, different brand, that branch, secondary. Secondary, okay. That you keep in your mind, doubt, leave it. Like how you told sir, luck, na, just now. You told luck. Some people without coding also they got job. Same thing you think your luck now. Okay. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of my students. Okay. Okay, 2 names I'll tell you. One of them is Vasant. One of them is what? Raghu. One got in Capgemini, one in TCS. They had active backlog. One backlog only, okay. But they got offer letter. Nah. No exemption there. No exemption. So what he can do the time now? I have applied for evaluation, waiting for results. Till that time also he can't clear, then happen. So how to handle also after I'm saying that's the main thing. Not like total smuggling only, not only gangster part. You have to become good also. Okay, like Dhanush. So make a resume there, backlog, whatever there, keep aside. Branch, keep aside. Not a issue. Not a issue. These things come under picture when you are selected, when they ask you to submit your reports. Okay, but don't do like me, okay? Some name changing, editing, photo editing, Instagram, Reels, TikToker, Photoshop. Editing part, they'll know nicely how to edit all those things. Someone's name they'll cancel, keep my name, pass, make it as fail, fail, make it as pass. Okay, up to certain limit, fine, okay. But nowadays, you think anyone is full, huh? You think once, is anyone there full? Fail, okay, fine. You can say, I have applied for the result, waiting for the result. Area knows about the JNTU. You're not the only one person who only said the JNTU part there. Okay. My senior still having 24 backlogs. My batch only, still now. I'm 17 pass out. He's still having 24 backlogs, but he's in America. So that is just a basic thing I'm saying. Okay, not an issue. But JNTU means everyone can understand, not an issue. Okay. So make your app make your resumes in the resume builder, or else one more website is there. X resume something. Let me check once. I forgot. After many days, I'm opening. Resume. RX. Okay, but some kind of issue you're facing, there. That things you can't add. Whatever basic things that you have to add there. Okay. Example, this is a portfolio. This is the what resume there. Okay, like this it will be there. Extra things you can't add. But basically you can feel it. Okay. Nothing you have to type. Okay, just you have to enter those things. Like how you're entering a Gmail ID, all those things now. At the left side, you have to enter. This is the thing which you have to enter. Your name, first name, last name, all these things, upload your photo. Okay. Those things only. Or else simply can use what? The resume builder also. Okay. In the phone or whatever it is, I'll send the link. This also link you can follow. Okay. Anything. Fine. So you can make on what? Resume builder or else what? RX resume. Fine. Now, what's the basic thing you need to have? Starting name. Mail. Mail very small. Kindly see that your mail is very small. Don't have very lengthy mail ID. First of all, I'm saying it. How much small it is, that much nice it is. Not like Smarty or Apache TVS, something names. Okay. Proper name, very small. That's it. And some people will keep this 1999, 1992, 1995, something in their mail. HD@1995. 1995. Like this, you don't keep. Date of birth also is one password. Okay, you don't know. Date of birth also is one kind of a password, which you don't know. I'm saying you. That's why they should never reveal date of birth also. Okay, because I know I'm telling you. Okay, even if I know suppose a date of birth also, we can crack your passwords. Like PAN card there, Aadhaar card there. Okay, nothing there, but possible. I'm saying you. Okay, that's why I never reveal date of birth also. I'm saying. People have knowledge that they can do. Don't have knowledge, nothing they can do. Okay. So what you have to keep? Name, mail should be what? Very, very small. Okay. And keep a mail such that that mail is not linked to YouTube or Facebook or something there. History part, if they set the background, total things will come out. In the spot, I'll say, open your WhatsApp history and show me. Open your YouTube history and show me. Then what will do? This sort of thing happens in the interview. Once give me a phone. Let me check. That time what will do? So create a Gmail ID that is not linked to YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, or whatever it is. New mail, nothing registered. Magic bricks, that bricks, this bricks, that ad, this ad. Nothing should be there. Just what? Don't even register with what? Anything. Just simple zip mail there. Okay. Plain mail, that's it. Khatam. Now, second you have to keep is what there? After name, mail ID, contact number. Third is what? Contact. Okay. These three things After this, keep the what place. Yeah, from which place? Don't suppose example I am from what Nizamabad, or suppose example from what from Godavari or Rajasthan something. Where I want job first of all, I want in job in Hyderabad or suppose in Bangalore. What name I'll have to keep the place there? Bangalore. I want job in Bangalore. I'm keeping Hyderabad my place. He have to think, or she has to think. He is in what now? Hyderabad. He want to work for Bangalore. So doubt this fellow will travel or not. No, one more I have to ask. Are you available to relocate? So where you want job, that you have to specify. Means what? In this part they'll understand. Okay, TCS there in all the places. But if you want job, keep Hyderabad or keep Bangalore or keep what? Mysore or Kolkata. For TCS what? 4 locations. Don't keep some other locations. If you're from Hyderabad, keep Hyderabad. Okay. Bangalore, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Mysore. So anyway, anytime applying for jobs, only choose these 4 names. Don't choose any other names. Nowadays, now people are keeping Pune also. Chennai there, but Chennai is in, should come out first of all from water. After water coming out, then I can see Chennai there. Because now they're in total, many problems are happening there. Okay, once they come out of water, once they come out of COVID. If you ask me, China, not Chennai, China. Chennai maybe in the upcoming few years, it won't be in a map. Like Australia will become separate, island will become. Already near water, Andaman and Nicobar, more will come. Once earthquake comes, something comes, it will be out of the map, India map. That's already this time came now. Total water. Okay, that is simple basic now. Next year it will become very high typhoid. So don't keep Chennai there. Okay, if you want Chennai, you can keep Chennai. Daily Italy sambar, that only you have to eat again. No Hyderabad biryani. Better keep what? Hyderabad or Bangalore. But if you don't have, like suppose amount, don't keep Bangalore. 1 day cost living is what? 1,000 rupees. Per 1 day, 1,000 rupees. If you suppose a training you came, teachers giving you training, okay. Yeah, after 3 months, I'll decide you. Every company will keep a training. That time stipend or what will be what 10K, 12K it will be there. Okay, if you're able to manage, fine. Not able to manage, keep Hyderabad there. After joining company, you also can change the locations there. Okay. After joining company, you can change the locations, but not immediately. Today went to Bangalore, taken offer letter. Now I want Hyderabad. Not possible. Okay. After 2 months, 3 months, they'll change. After 2 months and 3 months, not immediately, but they'll change. Just note down the names fast there. Hyderabad, Bangalore. Okay. Khatam. Then now you have to start with what? Course objective. Course objective. So exactly I won't say why, because again all resumes will be same again. But don't keep like this. How they'll start, I'll tell you. Again, I forgot to. I have to verify and then again I have to tell you. Looking for an entry level position where I can utilize my skills for the better growth of the organization. Highly, this will be 100%. Everyone at the same thing there. What they'll write? Looking for an entry level position where I can utilize my organized skills for the better growth of the organization. Okay, don't keep this thing I'm saying there. Hint I'll give you. Keep the what? Aspirant. One word you keep khatam. Highlight in the resume. One word means not this keyword it is. Like how you're typing, suppose Google will come in the first or last? First. If I type Sachin, if I type SSC, whose name will come first there? Sachin. If I type DHO, Dhoni. If I type VIR, Virat. Same thing when people want to hire now. So how can I have the resumes in the part? Suppose 30 people are there in the class now. So I have to look for some keywords there now. Okay. So what I'll be looking, some 90% we know all resumes will be same only, same course objective, same thing, same thing, same thing. So something unique I have to pick up now. So what's the keyword they pick up? Aspirant. So like what I can say, I'm a Python aspirant looking for a Python developer job where I can apply my Python skills. What's the only thing I'll say? Just what now? I'm a Python aspirant. Okay, what is right there? I am a Python aspirant. Python aspirant looking for a Python skilled job where I can utilize my Python skills. That's it. Enough. More than enough, I'm saying. Don't want to like this story. Better growth for the organization, better growth for my, better growth for you. Who grows, who doesn't grow, don't know. Omicron is growing. That's the only thing you can say. So what do you have to use compulsory? Aspirant. Remaining story you write, don't write, I don't care. Aspirant word should be there. Daily at least 3 to 4 calls you can expect. 3 to 4 calls. Next. Skills. In this skills you keep the what? Technical skills first of all. Because all knows password, Corona batch. Yeah, marks valid or invalid? Openly I'm asking you. Yeah. Then who wants technical skills you want? Okay. So after course objective, you have to focus on what now? Technical skills. Because we are fresher now. Okay. So technical skills are what first of all now? First languages.